What day of planting is this, Gina?
Oh, day 2.
We are digging holes here for the sunflowers. About 18 inches apart here.
We'll have sunflowers here and over across the hill there. And, but we gotta make sure we get the right date.
Alright, and then here's the garden bed from last video.
We're double digging.
Alright, so we dug all the way down there. Dug all of these out. Starting to rain. We got all this done. Then we gotta get all the way down there. But it's raining.
Originally I thought something happened, I'd go to Florida, but
Alright, how many holes?
we just dug and filled 79 holes. And we took the chips out of it, the compost that was, the wood chips that were in there. And then we made a hole and we filled it with all the good compost. And now we can go back and fill them with the flowers.
And what flowers are we planting in these holes?
Well, there's gonna be a lot of sunflowers. And I'm not sure what else.
We're gonna do a pumpkin on a stick here, or try it?
Pumpkin on the stick can probably go in here. Yeah, this would be a good place for it in the sun. And yeah, I think it's gonna look really cool.
Alright.
I'm wet. By the way, it's raining. It's been raining for about an hour and a half. So we can't tell if it's wet or sweat or rain right now.
But we got it done.
We got it done. Another project, another part of the project's done.
More on the other side. About that way down there.